new here, welcome. Please make sure you check it out. I have lots of videos. Subscribe if you like what you see, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So today, another technique video. I'm loving these technique videos. Another one that I've been doing in class a lot. I've incorporated it in choreography that we've been working on the last few weeks for our Christmas performance, and that is a combination of our downward 8 plus a lift. So together, really beautiful. It looks like this. Very simple, but it looks complicated. Really beautiful move. So what are we doing? First of all, starting with our good posture as always. So feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up. Very simple, we're coming into our downward figure 8. So remember, if you're downward figure 8, if you haven't done it before, you're coming up, out to the side, down, back in, other way, up, out, down, back in, and then smoothing it out. So remember, when you're doing this move, you want to try and keep your hips facing towards the front. You can bring your fingers onto your hips. Make sure your fingers are staying to the front. That will give you a good indication of whether your hips are twisting or not, especially if you can see yourself in the mirror. So very simple in this combination. We have down on one side, down on the other side, and then just up in our feet. So when I come up, very simple, all I'm doing is lifting up in my feet. So when we put it together, it looks like this. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Very beautiful move. Really works with our flow, but an easy one. Great combination, especially for those beginners who have done their figure eights but want something a little bit more interesting to put it together with. So let me know what you think. Do you enjoy this combination? How do you think it looks? If there's any arms you like as well, it'd be lovely to hear from you. And as always, happy dancing.